part 2 of the flip through. We were here. There's a tag and an ink bottle and quill charm over there. Oh, and somebody asked me how I have attached these file folder parts, or how should I say? Please tell me what is the correct name for this kind of card, which has this flap that you can make a file folder from, but this one part, what is the name of that? Because Misty Dawn asked me about paper binder without folding, that how I did attach them, and I suppose that she meant this one, this large one, and I have sewn around the edges first, as you can see, and then I just used very strong glue and glued it down on this very thick paper. It's probably about 150 or 200 grams. I suppose. It is very thick and it holds this large card and the gluing very well. Also, I forgot to mention other details in the first part. This book has 202 pages and 14 paperbacks, of which almost all or most of them are large paperbacks like this one. Then it has 53 pockets, tuck spots, envelopes, one belly band with several folds, and these file folder pockets. 53 pieces, and this one larger file folder for stickers and embellishments and other small pieces that you can use to decorate your journal. Okay, let's go on. There's this, it's not a Franken page, but a paper collage that you have lots of writing space on it, and there are some itching mysterious things on it. Then there is this little paper collage embellishment, another large pocket, and there's this smaller file folder card, well, with time traveling themed words, which are quite a riddle, I should say. This is dot paper. Then there's this pointing finger again, and question marks, part of the snippet roll, this card for journaling, another paper collage, some tabs, and a smaller coffee dyed paper bag with a tag. There's another eyelet with a charm, this time a dragon. Corner pocket with a tag. There's the one belly band I added with a tag. Paper ruffle. There's another paper collage embellishment. 4 washi tape, my own. There's this larger paper embellishment with part of the snippet roll. Paper ruffle with some string. There's this little fold or pocket over there with a tag. A little tab with the finger, index finger. There's a fold or a tuck spot over there to hide your secret things, secret messages and letters or whatever. Another envelope with some sewing and a tab. And there's sheet music, which opens like this, and then you open these little flaps. And there's this riddle. Say no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. With 3 little monkeys. There's a tuck spot in here. And another paper bag with part of the snippet roll. With a tag. Journaling space here and here. Another pocket with this dots inspiration paper and my own. There's just a little paper embellishment. Another coffee dyed vellum pocket with this card tag. What is it? Empty music paper, dots paper on this larger paper bag, and some snippet roll part or piece of a snippet roll. Another pocket with this index finger and a large tag. Also here. And another large pocket with dots paper. Writing space in here and this extra page. Sewn around the edges. There's even more paper embellishments. A clock. Another pocket with this hand. There's another paper embellishment, and also here with some cheesecloth. Dots inspiration paper on this large paper bag, also in here. There's a little tuck spot, please attack. There's a folder to hide something. No, folder, I meant fold. A tuck spot. A tab. And the antique ledger paper. There's a pocket with a tag. And an eyelet with this pen. What was it? Pen nib. Pen nib. Just a second. I'm trying to find the right word. Charm. Yes. A little envelope with a tuck spot and a tag with a tab. And then more paper embellishments, a pocket, a tuck spot over there, and a tab with that blank music paper. There's a snippet. And over there too. And a paper ruffle. Sheet music. More paper ruffles. That's just a strip of that beautiful dots paper. There's a double tag, which is also a tuck spot. More journaling space. There's some poetry in Swedish. And another pocket here. This is Maggie stamps. Some journaling space. More of that antique ledger. There's another pocket with this old envelope that you can use to write on, and part of a book sheet, book page. A large paper pocket here, paperback pocket with some art and dots paper. You can write here. And then we're nearing the finish of this book. There's this double tag, which is also a tuck spot with some journaling paper. And a little eyelet here with a metal key charm. And this is the last page with this decorated tag with some bead embellishments, and dots paper used as paper ruffle. And on this last, the back cover, inside the back cover, there's also a large pocket with a tag. And I see that I forgot to ink or stamp my name here, so I will do it now. Let's see now. Maybe over there or here. I think that's a good place. Get some ink. There it is. I'm trying to dry it a little bit before I close it. And then we're closing the journal. That's the back. And the front. The spine with the ridges. Let me put this aside so that we will get more space. The journal closes with this ribbon. I'm going to roll it over 3 times and then use these charms, the key and the book, to close it. Just by attaching them here. Simple but beautiful. So I hope you liked it, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.